to the point. How about database administrator SQL server? And we have 3 points to show off you about SQL data function, SQL data format, and SQL. And for my point, I'm going to explain about SQL data function. SQL provides several data functions that allow you to manipulate and perform operation on date and time value. Here are some commonly used SQL data functions like the usual like we use it the function that people like usually use. First is current date. Is return the current date in the function like we want to select year, month, date from your table. And another one about current time is about to return the current time in the format is the same as date. It's just us want to select the hour, minute, and second from the table. And another one about current time stamp is return the current date and time in the format. Like it used to select date, month, year, and your hour. And another one is date. Extract the date from date expression. And this is how we use it. We use select date catalog and the table. And for point number 5, let's talk about time. Extract the time expression. And for another one, we gonna talk about year, month, and date. Extract the year, month, or date from the expression like we select the year, date, and month from your table. And it means it's different. Like we calculate the difference between 2 dates. We select the difference from the end of date and the start of date. And about date add and date sub. Add or subtract means like you minus a specific time interval from a date that you compare to time and you want to select it from the date that select date in a week or select date in a month from the table. And number 9 is extract. Extract a specific component, year, month, or day from the time expression. And number 10 about a true date. Convert a string to a date like we convert a letter to a date. And there are just a few examples of many date functions of SQL, a specific function, and syntax might vary slightly dependent on the database management system like MySQL, Postgre SQL, SQL Server, and that you are using. So be sure to refer to the documentation of the database you are working with. And that's all my point. I'm going to talk about another point about SQL date format. In SQL Server, you can use the format function or the convert function to format date. Here are some examples of both. Using format function like select format, get date like year, day, hour, or second as format and formatted date. In this example, get date or get the current date and time from the table. And using convert function is select convert get date as format date. In this example, get date, get the current date and time, convert the date to the voucher with the style 120, which correspond to the year, month, and hour format. You can adjust the format according to your need by changing the format string for more information on date format and style code. You can refer to the official Microsoft documentation for the SQL server. Format, translate SQL, test and convert. Keep in mind that the format function was introduced in SQL Server 2012. So if you are using an early version, you might need to use the convert function or another method. And that's all my point.
សួស្តីគ្រូខ្ញុំមិត្តភក្តិរបស់គ្នាអានេះខ្ញុំបកស្រាយនៅចំណុច SQL ខាង In SQL time you can work with time related function and data type to handle time information. Here are some key aspects related to time in SQL server. One, time data type. SQL contains the time data type to store time values. It represents the time of day with precision down to milliseconds. Example of creating a table with a time column. Create table your table ID, INT, primary key, even time type. To get that and current time type. The get that function and current time type can be used to get the current date and time. Example of inserting the current time into a table. Insert into your table ID even time value. See, formatting time. You can use format or convert function and format time values. Example, using format, select the format, get that hour as format time. Example, using convert, select convert as format time. In this example, hour and 108 represent the this time format. For extracting time component, you can extract different components of time using function like that type of format. Example of extracting hour, minute, and second. Select this part hour as hour, this part minute as minute, the part second and as second. Fine. That is for time calculation. You can use that and that is for time related calculation. Example of adding 1 hour to a time value. Select that add hour as use time. Hour as example of calculating the difference in minutes between two time values. Select that this not as that this has time different method. There are some of the fundamental concepts related to working with time in actual server and just the example based on your specific requirement and database standard.